everyone, it's Abby from Feather&Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a balcony using Foyr Neo. So I have designed a bedroom and now want to add a balcony on the outside of my sliding doors. I'm going to start by searching for a solid floor dock shape in the catalogue. I'm going to place it outside my room and resize to fit the width of the wall. I'm then going to reduce the height of the dock to make it a flat floor. I now want to add some handrails from the catalogue. I'm going to select the item I like and then use the clone tool to make a border around the balcony shape. I'm going to use the rotate and resize functions to fit my design. I want to change my hardware to a gold colour, so I'm using a texture from the catalogue to customise the items. Because I have cloned the items, they will all change to gold, saving time. I now want to add a tile to the floor. I'm using a texture from the catalogue and using the rotate tool to customise to my design. I'm now going to start adding in some furniture. I'm adding a table and chair from the catalogue, again customising to fit the shape and design. I'm going to give the design some extra details by adding cups and a magazine from the catalogue, resizing as needed to fit the table. I'm adding some plants to the design now using a wall planter and plants from the catalogue. I'm going to use the free movement tool on the plant to move it up to the planter on the wall. I'm then going to apply the invisible material texture from the original plant pot so it doesn't show in my designs. I'm going to add some wall lights from the catalogue and use the gold texture I use on the handrails so that they match. I'm also going to add some floor lanterns to my design. I'm going to take one from the catalogue and then clone to duplicate the item. Then use the resize function to make each one bespoke. Now I'm going to render my design by going to the top right hand corner. I'm going to adjust the internal and external lighting on the left hand side panel. Then in the middle bottom of the screen I will click Get Preview. Once I'm happy with my design I will click Take Render, again bottom middle of the screen. I'm using the 4K option for the best quality, and here are the finished renders and designs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.